Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Sequest, Sequest, Sequest. Call sign Charlie Alpha Victor 2. MMSI 195635234. Position latitude 33 degree 25 decimal 4 minutes north. Longitude 020 degree 10 decimal 2 minutes west. My vessel is on fire and immediate danger of sinking. Pan pan, pan pan, pan pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Sequest, Sequest, Sequest. Call sign Echo, Lima, Tango, November. Cargo vessel disabled due to propeller failure. Drifting toward shipping lane at 3 knots. Vessel at risk of collision with another traffic. Position latitude 33 degree 30 minutes north. Longitude 020 degree 15 minutes west. Request tag assistance over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Sequest, Sequest, Sequest. Call sign Hotel Mike 46. Navigation hazard. Underwater rocks in position latitude 34 degree 10 minutes north, longitude 021 degree 20 minutes west. Ships in the area, keep sharp lookout. Over.